Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a complete website using AI powered Wix Studio. We are going to let AI do most of the heavy lifting, from designing page to suggesting content. So whether you are building a portfolio, an online store or business site, this is the easiest way to get started. Now, if you don't know what is the Wix Studio, so basically Wix Studio is a professional grade web designing platform by Wix, made especially for designers and agencies. But the good news is Wix added a AI tool to make it super simple for beginners too. With the AI website builder, you can generate a full layout for your site in a second, get AI generated text and images. You can customize everything without needing to code and make changes with a few clicks. Now, it's perfect if you want a modern, professional looking website without hiring a developer. Now, if you don't know Wix Studio and Wix Standard Editor, then these two things are different. Wix Studio provide more features, but we are going to build with Wix Standard. Right now, I'm the Wix Studio, so you will get confused a little bit. So you don't need to worry about it. Now, let's get started. So first thing first, what you have to do is just simply create an account on the Wix and then sign up. After signing, then after creating your account, you can use Google, Facebook or email. Once you are logged in, you will be land on Wix dashboard. Something will look like this, but I'm the Wix Studio, so it is different for me. Now from here you can manage all your site and projects. Now let's create our first AI website. In order to do that, what you have to do is just simply click on the create new site, and from here you will get three options, or what you can do, click on the all site and click on a create new site. Over here you can see there are three options, which how would you like to start creating. From the start, from blank canvas, if you want to create a website from scratch without needing AI, you want every control of your website, you can go with the start from blank canvas. But if you want to start from second option, which is a start from template. So template basically are pre-built websites which where you can select it, and then after that you can customize that website on your own terms. Now right now I will be going with the build with Wix editor. As you can see here, just simply click on it and then it will take you to wix.com. Now, so bring your ideas to life with the AI. Now you have to tell about a site which you are creating, and you have to uh, you will get personalized dashboard with everything you need to manage it. Now if you want to set up without chat, you can just simply click on it and it will take you to template section. Now uh, you can click on the start chat. I will go with the start chat. So what I will do, I'll just simply click on it. So let's start with your site setup. First tell me what your site is all about. Now I will tell it is fitness gym related website. Just simply click on it, upload the answer, and then he will take that answer and he will again ask a question, which will be what is the name of your fitness website. The maker fitness. The maker fitness. Now what type of fitness services do you offer? The fitness type of fitness service I offer is like for example, let me think what kind of services I will offer. Gym training, body building, diet plan, fitness tips, so on and so forth. I have just added gym, just random stuff over here, but you have to add what exactly services do you are offering. Now again he will ask you about, do you have any specific goal for your website, such as selling products, booking appointments and creating a strong community. So yeah, Yes, I want to sell fitness product, booking gym training sessions or monthly sessions, and creating a community. Just simply click on it, and after that it will take your answer, and then he will again ask you a question related to your website. Wait for a few seconds to analyze this answer, and again, could you tell me please where your business is located? It is located in London. Just simply click on it, and then he will, so you have to give your original location over here. Just for the sake of tutorial, I have added London. Now what sets your fitness business apart from other in London? So I will put this, simply put it over here. So it will, and again it will analyze the things. Now it will ask me about the goal, and yeah, you are all set. Next, let's go to personalize your dashboard, where you will find tailor-made setup to set go online faster, the best template selection to fit your needs. Now click on the go to dashboard. It is preparing our dashboard, generating custom services, and create your personalized setup. Now as you can see here, a Wix Studio editor is opening. Now we have, I think, successfully created a website. Now as you can see here, you can connect your domain over here. Now if you want to add your first service, just simply click on add it. You can just simply choose pre-built templates, for example personal training. I will choose it and save. Click on the save. So amount will be $200, fixed price, enter amount, location, and click on the save. So we have created our first service. Just simply, if you want to add a new, you can add that. Now go back again and click on the setup, leave without saving. Now you can set up your working hours, you can set your pricing plans if you want. So just simply click on that if you want to set up, like set up your payment method, design your website. Just simply click on the design of website after doing all of these things. For example, if I want to create a setup working hours, just simply click on it, and it will be, gym will be open Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. So you can do that. Now if you want to customize your price and planning, you can do that, but I don't want to do that right now, so I will just simply continue with the design side. Now click on it, and it will ask you to how would you like to design your website. You can click on a generate a design with AI, and you can customize your template as well. So they have a lot of lot of templates. You can choose it. Just simply click on the uh, pick template. Now just simply click on the generate as design. Just simply click on generate design. It will take few seconds to generate design with the using AI. Now let's get started on how site make a fitness center millions of subscribers inside. Now the AI is doing his work. He is making a website for us. So as you can see here, all the text are appearing in front of your screen. Your site theme will feature modern fonts and vivid AG design in the black. And so this is a site brief where you can read all about what kind of website it is making. So Give few more second to make Wix the website of yours. Now, as you can see here, he has successfully made a website. Okay, great. That's great. Now, that's super cool. Now, if you want to redesign or tweak design, you can do that, but I am satisfied with this website. I guess the colors are perfect and the theme is perfect as well. The products are great, which is fitness gears. If I want to sell it, now just simply click on the continue with the design. Now continue to the editor. If you want to set up your businesses, you can do that. Now I don't have any domain name, so give a site more professional to branded domain name. Click on the continue to the editor. It will take you to editor where you can customize everything like text, image, everything related to website. I have already made a video how you can customize uh, of your website, how you can customize everything in the Wix Studio. So there is an error in the opening of my website, as you can see here, but I cannot do anything related to that now. I tried to solve it, but yeah, but this is the example of which we were creating. Now you can just follow those tutorial tips and start build your website. Now just look at this. Just simply click on the edit side. It will take you to this site which I have created using AI. The fitness website is not loading, as you can see here. I'm waiting. uh, I have waited too much. Just wait for a few seconds to open this website. Now uh, as you can see here, this website is a little bit good, not that good. I have customized some things like these menus and all of those things I have customized by myself. So this is the website which I have created using AI. And if you want to build like this, you can just simply uh, add prompt, add all the information related to your business, and you can create your own website. If you found this video helpful, then thank you for watching.